Yes guys, today I'm here at BMW and you can see what's behind me. I've got a lot of bikes behind me. Today I'm taking out the F900GS and the F900GS Adventure. I'm doing a comparison video. I was going to do first rides, but the ride ended up being shorter than I expected, so I thought it'd be best to do a comparison. So yeah, if you like motorbikes, you like good views, you like nice roads, you like Brazil, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get on these bikes. Oh my days, this is amazing. Just doing the hill start for me so I don't go flying into the bin. You see what we're on today, guys. We've got the F900GS and this is a bike I've had my eye on since the moment it was released. So I don't know too much about this bike. I just like the idea of it. Oh, it's keyless, sem chave. Keyless. God, loco, só aqui.
Modo de condução, troca aqui. De resto, só acelerar.
So básico.
Só básico.
Right, let's see what's going on with this. Tank's bigger than I thought it would be. Oh, right on the glass. Tem kick shifter. Dois. Okay, up and down. Oh, that gear shift was smooth. Alright guys, welcome to another video. First ride on the F900GS today, 2024 model. This is cool. In Brazil. Welcome back. If you have been following the channel, just about got my license if you're new here, so this is why the channel's a bit crazy at the moment, because I've been waiting to get to this moment where I finally get my license. What the f is going on with it? You got to put quite a bit of pressure on that. This is tall, guys. I'm on my literally on my tiptoes. Not sure where we're going. This guy's leading the way. Today we're getting on quite a few bikes. Getting on as many bikes as I got memory for. What the f? That's a bit it's a bit of a mess right there. I don't know what's going on with this this gear shifter though. I'm actually not liking that. I really don't mean to start the first impressions off with a negative, but that's pissing me off. Everything else was good. It's like the power delivery feels very instant. Oh, there's a parallel twin. I don't know how much horsepower this has got. Oh, the clutch is all the way in, that's why. Not taking neutral. 1 hour later. Oh, f it. It looks like we're staying in first the whole time. No one pays attention to green lights in Brazil. Ooh. Okay, we don't need the clutch then. Blipper's feeling buttery. Oh, there we go. Finally found neutral. Huh? That's what we want there. Yeah. Give one for the gringo. God, quick shifter's nice. Right, there we go. 3 working days to find neutral. Kick shifter bomb. Eh? Descendo bomb. Descendo. Shout out to George from BMW, guys. Go see him if you're in Caxias do Sul. This guy will help you out. He'll find the motorcycle you need for the right price as well. Vamos falar com ele. Você precisa nova moto, nova BMW. Vou para BMW Caxias. The gear shifts work better without the clutch. You might as well just not even have a clutch on this bike. only to find neutral, and then yeah, that takes, like I said, 3 working days. Yeah, going up is plus butter. I haven't ridden many big trail bikes at all, really, but still, I've got to say, my number one is still that Africa Twin. Everything about it is perfect. Trocar? Pode ser? Oh, f it. So tem electronic suspension, não tem por off-road, tem more mais raw.
Comfort.
Comfort. Loco. Yeah. Bom. Ok, bom, vamos. Yeah, sou mesmo. Oh, shit. Oh. Nice one.
Agora vamos pegar pra lá. Vem me seguindo.
Sim, eu segui você. I think I just said I'll follow you. I just said some random flipping words. Yeah, guys, I just decided on the fly that it's better to do a comparison video, so because that was it was a shorter ride than I was expecting. Thought I was about to have a day out of BMW, but anyway, same bike. This one's just got electronic suspension, and this is just comfort. So this is for touring, and that one's for getting active, pretty much. So same everything, same engine. Oh, the clutch is a little bit different on this one. Prefer the clutch on this. Yeah, I can feel the weight difference already, and I can feel the difference in comfort. This seat is very nice. Ah, the clutch on here is so much better. It might just be the just adjusting the lever on that one. Yeah, we're gonna take a different route as well. Like I said, I thought it wouldn't have been good enough for a video for you guys. So yeah, let's squeeze them both into one. Hopefully I get to go a bit further on the R1300GS. I'll be taking that out afterwards. And another bike. I can't remember what the other bike is. Cuidado, amigo. Cuidado, camion. Mate, he's nearly swerved into the flipping bins. I don't know what. I am actually on the foot brake. Flipping out, it's so soft I couldn't feel it. It was like no resistance. Quick shifter on these bikes, it's unreal. It better be, it's a flipping BMW. You don't even have to be off the throttle to use the blipper as well. All right, here's some curvy ones right now. Yeah, this is smooth. Everything's so light. Like, Jesus Christ, I could ride this all day. Definitely feels big though. Like, when you start moving it around like into these bends, you can feel the weight of the bike. It feels like I'm trying to turn a bus. It's not difficult. I'm just like the difference is very noticeable. Without riding it, you know, if I was gonna get a big trail or like a big trail like let me just pay attention because I don't know where the gravel is. If I was gonna get a big trail like off-road focus like that, I'm sorry to say it, but I'm probably taking the Tenere 700 all day without even riding the thing. Oh, it lays down power so nice. It's such a perfect amount of power. I don't even know the digits, but I'm gonna guess like 105 maybe, somewhere around there. Parallel to it, it's hitting like one. Maybe 100. I don't know. I'll put it on screen though. But I love a parallel twin with that amount of power. It's perfect. Even though I just said I'll take the T7, I feel like that one is That is actually too much for off-road. This is perfect for street. But that one there, you gotta be a maniac to ride that off-road. Oh, it's so effortless. Everything is effortless on this bike. Just then brakes out a little bit, they are right there. This is so easy. Imagine I just say that and crash. Put the brakes on. Yeah, taking the views as well, guys. This is nothing as well, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna go traveling in about 4 weeks, maybe 5 weeks. Actually, yeah, maybe about 5 weeks from when you see this video. I've got a friend coming out, and we're literally about to go see not all of Brazil, but we're gonna work our way up from the state I'm in, or the city I'm in, which is very south, Caxias do Sul, which is amazing. That's why you get all these hills, all these mountains. Amazing, absolutely amazing. If you're on the dirt bike out here, you would have such a great time. That quick shifter's bar anywhere in the rev range, up and down. Actually, let's try it in low RPMs. Yeah, she's nice. Yeah, we're going to be working our way up from here to Rio de Janeiro and hitting, maybe we'll go further up, but we're going to be stopping on so many cities along the way. Maybe like is that more gravel, man? Oh, it was thank you screen. You see the size of that? That bike's actually a bit too far out for my liking on this one. It's too close on that one, too far on this one. Definitely worse ways to start the morning than this. We'll start the day off. This is amazing. Guys, leave something in the comments. Do you want me to shut up and just ride the bike, or should I keep talking? Oops. Nah, this. That quick shifter is so addicting. And the throttle is so light. The brakes are, this bike's amazing. It fucking better be. Flipping cost enough money. Fuck off, cachorro! Flipping caramello! This ain't my bike, leave it alone! Oh, even that first gear was so smooth. I don't know what mode I'm in. To be fair, he might have put me in a low mode. But you know, my MT-07 would be flipping kicking me off the back if I rolled on throttle like that round there. Oh my days, this is amazing. Meu Deus, rapaziada. Muito bom dia. Look, oh, this is amazing. This is fucking incredible. BMW riding, cruising through Brazil. Oh, don't even piss me off. This is unreal. Go through the gravel. Look how smooth that first gear is. This is so weird to say, but I'm having a better ride on this one. Obviously I didn't really get to do too much on that, but I could, like, the way this feels, I'm obviously doing what the bike is designed to do right now. Well, that's the thing. I have to take them out again because I feel like this is it's a bit of an unfair I don't know what you call this, whatever. Unfair test. Where even am I? Oh, did we come here earlier? No, we didn't. No, just looks exactly the same. What? That was an amazing ride. Muito top.
Top, né? E a estrada bonita também.
Ah, é melhor. Aqui, na frente do meu casa. Right guys, that is the end of the video. Let me tell you that yeah, I'm gonna have to take one of them for another spin. I've actually got a friend out here who he asked me to ride his bike. He's in the next city. Been meaning to meet up with him, collab with him, the whole lot, guys. So crazy on a bike. Yeah, he's scraping that thing at 12 o'clock. It's so crazy. He literally just got it. So yeah, I'll get a better idea of that. So we'll revisit the F900 for sure. But out of these two, from the experience I just had, that was one of the best riding experiences I've ever had. As you can imagine, I've never left England on a motorcycle. And I deal with this. I just got my license last week, so it's just so crazy. But yeah, the F900 Adventure wins that, which I never thought I'd be saying. That was just such a great experience. But we will revisit the F900 for sure. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next video, guys.